We have already seen how we can install Visual Studio and MingW for C++. So in this video we will see how we can set up Visual Studio for a C++ and will print a basic C++ hello world program. If you have not seen how to install Visual Studio and MingW, I will put a link in the description. Also you can see the card on your screen. Now to open your Visual Studio, in your start you type Visual Studio Code. Click on that, it will open Visual Studio Code. Now before writing any code, open a place where you want to save your program. I will open programming folder. Here I will create a new folder and I'll give name as C++. So hereafter I will save all my programs inside this C++ folder. Once you have created a folder, you can see I have created a programming folder. Inside that I have C++. So before writing a code, we have to install some extensions. So in extensions you just type C++ and click this extension. I have already installed. This is the first extension. And second extension, in search you write code runner and install this extension. And a third one, in extension search you type IntelliCode. This is basically to auto fulfill your instructions or statements, and install these three extensions. So once you have successfully installed these three extensions, so go to Explorer and click on your folder, and on top right you have new file, new folder. Click on new file and give a file name. I'll give a file name hello. And extension for C program is cpp, hello.cpp, and click enter. So that will open a new editor with the file name hello.cpp. So let us start writing our first program. So first it includes a header file hash include. So inside this you write IO stream. Next, using namespace std semicolon. Next, int main. Now this is the section from where your programming starts executing. Okay, and inside that you have return 0 semicolon. Now this is a basic building block of your C programming, and inside int main you are writing your program. So we have to print hello world. So to print anything in a C++, the command is cout inside double quote hello world, and it is terminated with semicolon. Okay, so next Ctrl S to save the program, and in top right you have triangle symbol and it is run code. As soon as I click run code, you can see here at the bottom you can see hello world, and the same time it created exe file. Okay, now this is how you can write your first C++ program in your Visual Studio Code with MingW compiler. Thank you.